Hello all, welcome to my channel. Today I will demonstrate you concept of notification in Android Kotlin. So let's start developing Android Studio project. First of all, you can click on start new Android Studio project. Then you can choose the empty activity. Then you can give the name of your application. Here I am giving my name of my application is notification demo. Then you can choose the language and then you can click on finish. Now let me specify what I want to do over here. I want to take one button. Whenever user click on that button, I want to show the notification, and whenever user click on that particular notification, I want to move the user to another activity. So let's start developing Android Studio project. From version Oreo onwards, for the especially in the notification, Android has changed the standard. So from version Oreo onwards, in notification, you need to create the notification channel first, right? So let's first design our application. So first of all, I'm just showing my layout decoration. Then you can select your hello world. You can move to design, and then you can remove this text view. Now I want one button over here for the notification, right? So I'm just taking one button over here, and that but let me click on this infer constraint, and then you can give the title over here for the button, that is send notification. Whenever user click on this button, I want to send the notification. Whenever you want to send the notification, you must remember that the notification service is required, right? So first of all, whenever user click on this button, what I want to do, so you can just call your function that is set on click listener. Whenever this button is clicked, I need a one notification manager variable. So I'm just declaring one variable, that is nm is equal to, here you can call the get system service, and in this service you can just pass notification service, right? Whenever you pass notification service, you can cast it to as as notification manager, right? Whenever you are casting to as notification variable, your variable will be initialized with the data type notification manager. Now using this notification variable, we will start the channel, we will create the notification channel, and we will notify the user for the notification. You need to understand what, see, if uh, the build version is suppose if you are user is using the version that is Oreo, then your channel need to be created, and if it is not the Oreo version, then no need to create the channel. So I'm specifying one condition over here, that is if build dot version dot sdk integer, here you can mention that build dot version dot, here you need to import this. So you can import this build dot version dot sdk integer greater than or equal build dot version again, but version codes, now I want to check build dot version codes dot Oreo, and for that Oreo you can pass here O. If it is greater than or equal to Oreo, then we will make the code over here. If it is not Oreo, then we will write the code over here. So if a user version is Oreo, then we need to do what? We definitely we need to create a one channel over here. So I'm just creating one channel variable notification channel is equal to, here you can create the instance of notification channel. So notification channel is the class, so you can create call the constructor. Basically there are three parameters are required over here. The first is your channel ID, the second is what description you want to give, and the third one is notification manager dot your importance, right? Importance of this notification channel. So I'm just declaring one variable over here for my channel. So I'm just declaring my variable my channel ID, right, is equal to, and I'm giving the channel ID, that is my channel 001. Now you need to provide here channel ID. So I'm just passing my channel ID. Here you can pass the channel description. This is my channel description. If you want to write more, then you can write over here. And the third argument is what is the importance of your notification manager. So I'm just what uh, notification manager dot importance, here you can mention the importance high, default, low. I'm just giving the importance high. So my notification manager will give the high importance to this channel, that is notification channel. Now not only this, you need to add you can add here enable lightings to your channel, you can set the color to your channel, you can set the enable vibration mode to your channel. So let me define here, you can call here notification channel dot enable lights whenever the message is coming or any notification is coming, especially using this program, right? You can just call notification channel dot, you can set the color also. So I'm just setting the light color, and here you can set the color, for example color dot, here you can mention the blue, for example, right? Not only this, uh, notification channel dot light color is a property, so you can directly call light color is equal to color dot blue. Not only this, you can set the notification channel dot vibration mode. If a message is coming, then do you want to enable the vibration? If it is yes, then you can pass true. If it is no, then you can pass false. Now it's a time to create the notification channel. So we already created a notification manager variable. Using this variable, you can create the channel. So you can just pass here notification manager dot create notification channel function, right? And here you need to pass your channel, and my channel name is, that is naughty channel, right? So you can just pass notification channel. Once your channel is created, now we need a builder object to call the notification. So here I am just declaring one variable here, that is variable builder is equal to here you need to define the data type. So I'm just defining notification dot builder. Definitely we will we will assign that it will be initialized late, right? So now it's a time to initialize this builder variable. So you can just call here builder is equal to notification dot builder is a constructor in which you can just pass uh, argument. The first one is your context and second one is your channel id. In context I am passing this, and your channel id, that is already declared my variable, that is my channel id, right? So this my channel id, using this my channel id I am creating the builder object. But not only this, whenever this builder is built, what extra you want to pass with your notification. So here using this you can call dot set small icon. Suppose if you want to pass any icon in your notification, I'm passing here a default icon, that is r.drawable.ic launcher background. Suppose if you want to set your own icon, then you can put it into drawable folder and then you can pass over here. Not only this, you can set the content title. For example, I'm just passing the set content title, that is a what title you want to pass in your notification. I'm just giving my title, that is my notification. Not only this, you can set the content text also. I'm setting the set content text. Here you can set the content text. For example, I'm setting the message, that is hello Atmians, right? Now suppose if you want to set the intent, then you can set over here, but right now I'm not interested to put the intent over here. Now using notification manager you created earlier, that is nm, you can notify your channel, right? So you can notify your builder. So you just need to call the function, that is notification manager dot notify. In this you need to provide the id. For example, I am passing the id, that is 111, and then you can call your builder dot build function. What it will do, builder will looking for the channel, and channel is doing what, that is a channel having the id, light color and enable vibration, and all these things is available in channel. And whenever this builder is built using notification manager, it means the message will come, that is hello Atmians. But what if I'm my emulator is not about the Oreo? Very simple. If you are not if you are using the version that is lower than the Oreo, it means, for example, if it can be a nougat, marshmallow, right? So if you are using the version less than the Oreo, then no channel is required. You can just copy this and you can paste into else, and you just need to remove this channel ID, right? No channel ID is required. It means what? If the version is lower than Oreo, then without channel I am building the builder, and if it is more than the Oreo, and if it is Oreo, then I am building it with the channel. Now you can compile and execute your application. What it will do, see, whenever you click on your button, it will create first instance of notification manager, and then it will check for the version, right? Definitely my emulator having the version that is more than Oreo. I am using the Pi version, right? So definitely it will first create the channel using this description, and then it will enable the lights, colors, enable vibration. All these things will be assigned to my notification channel, and then I'm creating the builder instance, and that I'm notifying using the notification manager. Here see, my emulator has execute my application. First of all, let me click over here on send notification. Whenever you click on send notification, see, title is there, my notification, hello Atmians is there. But if I see, notification resides in this taskbar. So if I click over here on this notification, it doing nothing. See, no effect is available over here. Why? Because I had not set any intent over here. So what I am doing, say, if user click on this especially notification, I want to open the another in activity. So let me do here, let me create one more activity over here. So you can just right click over here, new activity, and then you can choose the empty activity. I am just giving the name of my activity is another activity that I want to call whenever user click on this, right? So I'm just doing here another activity. Once you define your another activity, now it's a time what to do. Very simple. Let me put here one text view over here. Let me click on the infer constraint. Let me define some properties over here. I'm just giving the text size that is 40 sp. Then you can make it here text style, for example bold, and you can define the text color that is primary dark, and here you can write the content, for example Atmiya University, right? Now whenever user click on this notification, I want to open this my activity, right? So very simple, you need to create here one intent variable. So I'm just creating one variable, that is variable intent is equal to, you can call the intent. In intent you need to pass the two argument. One is the context and where you want to go. I want to go into another activity class.java, but I will not start this intent until and unless user click on that particular notification, and for that you need to define the pending intent. So you can just create an instance of pending intent, and pending intent dot you need to call the function that is get activity, into which you need to provide the four arguments. One is the context, for example I'm just passing the context over here. Then you can pass the code, I'm just passing the request code that is 112. Here you can pass the intent that is already we declared over here, right? This is our intent, so I'm just passing this intent over here. And the last one is what you want to do. I want to update the current, do you want to set the message to the pending intent. So I'm just calling the pending intent dot, and you can set the flag update current. Once your pending intent is ready, now whenever user click on this, it means notification, whenever you click on this builder, you just need to call set content intent, in which you just need to pass your pending intent object. The same thing you need to pass in the version which are lower than the Oreo. Let me pass over here also, that is dot set content intent, and here I'm just passing the pending intent. Let me execute my application. What it will do, it will waiting, pending intent is waiting for the user interaction. Until and unless user click on that particular notification, my pending intent will not be called. Let me check my application is running or not, right? You can execute your application. Once your application is executed over here,
you can click on the send notification. Your notification available over here. Whenever you click on this notification, it will move you to next activity, that is Atmiya University. This is the way you can implement notification into your Android Studio project. That's it from my side. If you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.